An ultra-premium, high-performance cable to connect your USB device to the USB port on your USB hub, PC or Mac. PC and Mac compatible. Connector 1. USB Type-A male and Connector 2. USB Type-B male. Supports high-speed USB 2.0 devices, 480 megabits per second, and is backwards compliant with full-speed USB 1.1, 12 megabits per second, and low-speed USB 1.0, 1.5 megabits per second. Compatible with the digital camera models: AGFA ePhoto CL18 CL30, Casio EX-M20, EXS1, EXS2, EXS3, EXS20, EXZ3, EXZ4. Must be used with Casio cradle, HP Photosmart C618, 912, 618, 912, C912, IXLA SuperPro 640, Olympus D-380. Also compatible with Pentax EI-200 EI-2000, SiPix Blink, Sony DSC-T1 DSC-T33. Must be used with Sony docking cradle, comes with lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great for streaming music from data source to DAC. No degradation of data transmission for audiophile use. Connected laptop to DAC USB port on back of Oppo BDP105 and streamed music files. If you want the extra reach of sitting far enough from your speakers, this may work well for you. This is the maximum length advocated for streaming music data, so going longer than this may not work reliably.